Hi, welcome to the numeracy 5-a-day answers for the 28th of April. So our first question is a coordinates question. We've been asked to write down the coordinates of the point A. So the point A, we've gone 1 along the corridor and 2 up the stairs. That would be the coordinates of the point 1, 2. And the next question said write down the coordinates of the point B. So the coordinates of the point B would be, we've gone 4 along the corridor and 3 up, so it would be 4, 3. Our next question says plot the point C, and the point C is 3, 5, so it's going to be 3 across and 5 up, so the point C would be there. Okay, our next question. We've been asked to work out 17.82 plus 41.03 plus 91.9. So lining them up in columns, 91.9, 41.03 and 17.82. I'm also going to put a 0 in the hundredths column for 91.9 because it only had tenths, so let's put a 0 just so it's got hundredths like the other numbers as well. And lining up the decimal points, let's add them up. So 0 plus 3 is 3, plus 2 is 5. 9 plus 0 is 9, plus 8 is 17, so put the 7 down and carry a 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 7 is 9, add on 1 more is 10, so put 0 down and carry a 1. And 9 plus 4 is 13, plus 1 is 14, plus 1 is 15. So our answer would be 150.75. Our next question, we've been asked to complete the table, and we've got fractions, decimals and percentages. So let's fill in the table. So let's start off with the first row. So we've got a half is equal to 0.5, and that would also be equal to 50%. Our second row, we've got 75%, and that's 0.75, and 75% is 3/4, so the fraction would be 3/4. And our final row, we've got 2/5, which is equal to 40%, and changing that or converting that into a decimal will be 0.4. We don't need to put the 0 on the end, like you could write 0.40 in theory, but it's normal just to write 0.4. Our next question, we've got a list of numbers. We've got 15, 26, 35, 37, 40, 54, 60 and 72. And we've been asked to write down from the list a factor of 120. So that's a number that we can divide 120 by and get no remainder. Now I can see that one of the factors of 120 could be 60 because 2 times 60 is 120. Also 40, we could divide 120 by 40 and get 3, so that would be another option. Now we just need a factor, so any of these answers would be fine. Also we could have 15 because 8 times 15 is also 1. And that's it. So there are all the numbers that you could choose from, and you just write down one factor. Our next question says a multiple of 12. So there are numbers in the 12 times table. So obviously 12, no. 24, no. 36, no. 48, no. 60, yes. 72, yes. So you could choose either 60 or 72, therefore a multiple of 12.